Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kansa Putri Amanda with name 0903-1182328019 from the Regular Informasi System Class 4C. On this occasion, I will present the result of my mid-semester exam assessment to the fulfill the operasi system course. Without further ado, let's get started. Question: a system administrator is asked to prepare a working environment for a development team. Each student is required to create the directory and file structure according to their respective identities. Number 1. Directory structure. Part A. Create a main directory name underscore name in home or student. So, this command asks the create a main directory with the format name underscore name in home or student. By using the command mkd-p is PowerPoint, this aims to organize that based of the identity of each student. Part B. In that directory, create 3 subdirectories: document, code, and archive. After creating the main directory, we have to create 3 subdirectories in the namely: document to store document, code to store programming code files, and archive to store archive or backup files. This can help as a group data according to this function to make it neater. Part C. Display the directory structure result using the appropriate command. After the directory is finished being created, we can display its structure using the command ls-r to view all the directory content recursively. Number 2. Part E. Create a file name identitas in the document directory containing the following information: name student name study name, program study program. This can be done with the command echo min a, then enter the name, and prod as in the PowerPoint. Part B. Copy the identity.txt file into the archive directory and rename into identity backup.txt. So, the identity.txt file that has been created in the command must be copied to archive and renamed to identity backup.txt as the command copy home as in the PowerPoint, so that we have a backup file if the original file is low of the delete. Part C. Move the identity.txt file to the coded directory. The original identity.txt file in the document is moved in the code folder. Use the command mv-home is the PowerPoint. And now the identity.txt file is the code folder, while identity backup.txt remain in archive. Part D. Display the contents of the identity backup.txt file using the appropriate command. To ensure that the backup file really exists and contains the same data, we can see its content with the command cat home as this PowerPoint, and it will display it. Number 3. Access permission setting. Part E. Give the file owner access right, the read and what, while the group can only read and other user cannot access identity backup.txt. We must set the identity backup.txt for permission so that use the command chhamut 640 home as this PowerPoint. This is important to manage data security so that only the owner can change the contents of the file. Part B. Change the ownership on the identity backup.txt file to the owned by the root user and the staff group. We have to change the owner of the file to root and the group the staff. Use the command sudo root of the PowerPoint. This way, only admin or root can check the file, while the staff group can only read. Part C. Display the file as a permission and ownership information after the change are made. To ensure that the change have been successful, we can check if the information with commands ls min l and this is PowerPoint. The output will show that this file is now owned by root software as permission. Number 4. Symbolic Part A. Create the file name differential underscore name txt containing the text. This is the operating system documentation on the base student name with name. We have to create the file name reference name with the following context. Echo this the operating system documentation on by Putri Amanda and this is PowerPoint. This is the main file that we can create a symbolic for later. Part B. Create a symbolic link to reference underscore name txt with the name shortcut underscore name txt. We create the symbolic name shortcut underscore name txt, the point to reference underscore name txt. Use the command lsstrip as that is PowerPoint. This is creating a shortcut with window, so the shortcut txt file will always point the original files. Part C. List the file directory along with the attribute information to ensure the link has been created. We can check whether the symbol link has been successfully created with the command ls-l with the PowerPoint along with this output. The output will show that shortcut underscore txt point to references underscore txt. Part D. Change the content of the reference underscore name txt file to documentation has been updated by student name. We are now editing the contents of the original file. Send the symbolic links point to original files. The content of shortcut underscore txt are also automatically changed. Part A. Display the contents of shortcut underscore name txt. What happened? Explain. If we display the contents of shortcut underscore txt using can like in the PowerPoint, the output will show the last content of the reference underscore txt, proving that the symbolic links work properly. Number 5. User must, you must. Part A. Check the default you must value on your system. You must determine the default permission when we create a new file. To check this, use the command you must. The result is 0022, meaning the new value will have rstrip permission by default. Part B. Change to the you must to 0 to 7 and create a new file name data strip named txt. Now, we change to you must to 0 to 7 so that the new file can only be read by the owner and group, while others cannot access it. Use the command you must 0 to 7. Part C. So the access permission of the data strip name txt file after is declared. So we create the new file data strip name txt to see the effect of the change to you must. Use the command touch. Now we check the permission using ls-l in the you must 0 to 7 in the apply correctly. The permission of this file will be rstrip where the owner can write, the group can only read, and the others cannot access this. That's all the video presentation for me regarding the administration system in managing the directories and file and sort of each aspect. Hopefully, what I convey can be useful and easy to understand. I apologize if the presentation there might be some error in the words. Thank you for your attention and time has been given. I will end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you soon.